So if you're looking for a PPC reseller, you come to the right place. Again, you can see here we're on our website, which is clicksgeek.com, and here's who our ideal clients are. They're SEO companies, consultants, web designers, ad agencies. A lot of consultants or people who just are offering a general marketing services to their clients, and then they upsell different services like pay-per-click or Facebook ads or whatever, like stuff like that. So if you come to our website here, you can kind of come down and you'll see some testimonials. We have dozens of testimonials from other partners and stuff like that. You can kind of cruise through these and read those. But I want to go over our core features here. So our pricing is all inclusive. It's easy to understand. It's simple. It's two tier. It depends on the size of your client's account that you want to onboard, but you're going to fall into one of two buckets. So it's very simple. And if you want pricing, just come to our site and you can fill out a form and you'll be redirected directly to a pricing page. Now we do offer free AdWords Google Ads audits, and within reason. I mean, we can't audit 100 accounts for you, you know, without charging something. But if you want to have a client or two or three or four even, and you want to, hey, can you guys audit these for me? And just we'll send you a report of what's going on in the account, where it needs to be fixed, and how to fix it. All right, so that's pretty cool. Next, we are a Google certified agency. We're a premier partner agency, which basically just means we've proven to Google over the years that we know exactly what we're doing and we get results for our clients. And all of our team that manage the accounts are Google certified. Now this is a big one, okay? A lot of the white label agencies, you don't own the account, or your client doesn't own the account. So this is important. With us, it's your client's account or your account or whatever you're working in. Okay, you guys own the data, you own everything. We just have access to it. That's it. So if we part ways, you just remove us from your access, and that's it. A lot of other agencies, they can hold you hostage, and they can have the account under their control and not really give you access to it at all, besides a weekly report or something like that. Account setup. So we've been doing this for over a decade. We know exactly what we're doing, and we can do it very, very quick and efficiently. Our onboarding process usually takes anywhere from a day to 3 days at the maximum. Usually it's within the next day. Right? So if you come on, you speak with Ed, who's our co-owner here, and he's a sales guy. So if you talk to Ed and Ed's like, hey, we can, this, depending what niche it is, if it's one that we're proficient in very quickly, we can just get you up and running the next day. So it really depends on that. Next up, call tracking and recording. We track and record all of your inbound calls for your clients. Now, we don't have to record them. That's an optional thing, but it's definitely important that we track phone calls back to conversions in AdWords, because most of Google's traffic now is becoming mobile. So if you're getting phone calls and you're not seeing that correlate in the keywords as conversions, you're going to run into a problem, because that means you're getting leads and you have no idea where they're coming from. So it's very important that we have that taken care of, and we set all that up for you guys. So we can track chat submissions. If you have a chat box on your client's website, we can track phone calls, we can track form submissions, pretty much anything. Next, our team is all US based. So we're based out of Pennsylvania as our headquarters. We have team members all over the country. Next up, in-house support. All of your questions, or if you need help closing a deal, anything like that, our in-house support is lightning fast. So you'll be speaking with Ed or another account manager. It depends on the account that we're working on. But our support usually can get back to you within the same day, anywhere from 6 to 12 hours. Or if it's next day, and it's never more than that. Next up, we set up reporting and tracking. So we'll set up white label reports that can go out to you, or we can send them directly to your client. It's really up to you. The reports will be branded to your agency. Again, we remain completely invisible in this entire process. Nobody knows that we exist, and that's the way we like to keep it. So if you come down here, you can kind of just see, and again, it's clicksgeek.com if you guys want to come check out the website, and you can read all these testimonials, stuff like that. You can grab a copy here of our guide, read through testimonials, and our blog has some great content on it. So if you guys have any questions, anything like that, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.